Comprising 3 pavilions connected by glass hallways, the single-story Los Angeles residence forms a serene oasis. The Western Red Cedar-lined guest house/garage pavilion sets a datum line that links the larger living and sleeping pavilions, featuring oversized charcoal-colored board, batten extira, and cement board siding. A deep overhang counters solar heat and shields from sun exposure. A concrete paver walkway, edged by wild grasses, leads to the entrance, passing a tranquil olive tree courtyard. The glass hallway entryway connects the west-facing living pavilion and the east-facing sleeping pavilion, establishing an intimate scale before accessing other areas. Seamless flow among the kitchen, breakfast room, and family room, designed for uninterrupted entertainment, creates a translucent and lightweight harmony. A key project aim was to deeply engage the living experience with the property's natural landscape, achieved through large windows, skylights, and pocketing doors that conjure layered scenes and infuse the home with light, which dances on wooden floors and marble countertops. Beyond, the 40-foot-long pool and abundant space yield a series of outdoor entertaining zones. A minimalist palette of charcoal panels and Western Red Cedar functions as a neutral backdrop, harmonizing with the home's California native landscape. The spacious living volume accommodates over 50 solar panels, enabling sustainable autonomy from the city power grid. Location: Studio City, California. Size: 4,900 sf. Design Team: David Thompson, Principal in Charge; Gregory Marin, Project Manager; Raul Aguilera, Project Architect; Ken Jane. Interior Design: Susan Mitnick. Design. Landscape Design: Fiore Landscape Design. Photography: Matthew Millman.